How to sell the Baby Doge Coin on Trust Wallet. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be talking about steps that we can follow to sell Baby Doge Coin on Trust Wallet. So let's get started with the steps. First of all, launch your Trust Wallet mobile application. Then after, log in using your passcode or the fingerprint. Once you have reached to the application and logged in, tap on the Discover section, which is also called as Browser section. Hereby scroll down to find Pancake Swap. However, if you cannot find it, you can use the search bar to search for it. Tapping on it should take you now to the Pancake Swap page, from where you can connect the Trust Wallet and your another wallet as well. Now that you have connected by tapping on the connect button, you'll have to ensure that the selected network is the BNB chain. Once you have ensured that the selected network is BNB chain, now in the From section, tap on the drop down and select Baby Doge Coin. You can either search it from the list or tap on the search bar. After that, you can enter the amount of Baby Doge Coin that you want to sell. The equivalent amount will be later displayed when you select the To section. Now move to the To section and then from the drop down select BNB. Once the amount is entered, you can tap on the swap button at the bottom, but if you have not connected the wallet yet, you'll have to connect it first. Once that is done, you will receive your BNB in the Trust Wallet. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.